Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create your stickers on Canva and also how to upload them to Goodnotes. So very quickly, just a basic sticker, you would just go here, add a circle, and then move it around somewhere and then change the color of it. Let's say I want something new, so let's say I'm going to use yellow this time. And then I can use a mouth, so just add this one. Or I can, I can also just type in mouth here and choose the shape that I like. So let's say I like these lips, I'm gonna add them. And then I also I wanna add some eyes. So maybe I like these ones. And here I have my sticker ready over here. Maybe I want eyes with eyelashes. Then I can add some eyelashes here also. Maybe that's what I like more. So here I have my stickers. And then if you have a pro account, all you need to do is click download and choose transparent background. Then you just download it and that's it. So once it's downloaded, all I need is to unzip it. So I'm gonna double click and then it's unzipped. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna click these three dots and choose the middle option. And I'm gonna click on Goodnotes. Now that I've done that, what I can do is I can add a sticker easily. I just click on it and drag it to where I want it to be. If you want to upload multiple ones immediately, then all you need to do is click this icon here, and then you usually go to the very back and click the plus sign and create a new category. So let's say new. And then after that, I'm gonna click this and click select, and then just select all of my stickers, and then I'm gonna drag them to the folder and I'm gonna click create. Now my collection is ready, so I can have them and add them really easily from the collection tab. So there's multiple ways you can do it. One thing I'm gonna say is that if you create stickers on Canva and you are using Goodnotes, the bad part about it is that if I select this sticker over here, I can't change its color. So it's only this and that's all. I can resize it, I can move it around, but that's it. But like, let's look at this sticker over here. If I select it, I have the option to choose color, and then I can choose, let's say, dark blue, and immediately change my sticker. So, and the reason it is because these stickers are imported as images, and these ones I've created in Goodnotes. So the way you would create it is there's a specific video on that, and you can find them in the link below. But basically, the background color is usually a highlighter, and I can completely change the color of a highlighter. And then the top color is usually a pen, which you can also change the color of the pen just by selecting it and choosing a color. But the reason I do that is because the eraser tool has the highlighter only option. So it's very nice when I want to, just delete the highlighter, and that's it. I can delete these really quickly, and it doesn't touch the, the lines, because the lines can be more annoying. But then I can just turn this off, and that's it. If you have any questions, or if you would like to create some specific stickers, let me know in the comments and I will try to make that video for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next